Hi everyone! I have had the pleasure of traveling and teaching so many of you out on the road across the United States. And there's a question that I've always had. A lot of you have the Destiny, the Babylock Destiny, or maybe you have another machine that's very similar to the Destiny and has the IQ Designer features. So for today's tutorial, I want to really focus on the Destiny, and we're going to talk about the positioning of the different icons in the IQ Designer, help you get a little bit comfortable. I have some creative tutorials also that are going to be included in this tier of videos. So this is going to be the beginning of the video, but make sure you watch each one of those. I'll separate them. There'll be different parts to this series, and you'll learn different ways to do different creative things. You'll get comfortable. I want to explain to you some of the icons, what they do, just to kind of get you started. So definitely this is a question when I've been out and about on the road. I have been asked so many times, please show me how to do this with my Destiny. So this is a tutorial that y'all have asked for, and we're going to go over a few of the things that you can do in IQ Designer. And what I would like to do is just kind of help you get comfortable. And once you see and get comfortable with some of the things that you can accomplish in the IQ Designer of the machine, I think it's really going to take you to the point to where you're going to be so excited, and your mind and your creativity is just going to start growing and growing, and you're going to realize, oh, I can do this, I can do that. So definitely this series of videos, I want to help you get more comfortable with how to navigate through the IQ Designer. So if you have a machine that has the IQ Designer and it's similar to the Destiny, this might really be beneficial for you also. All right, so let me take you over to the Destiny and let's get started learning some of those features built into that machine. Start by going into the IQ part of the machine. We'll touch OK. And that's going to bring us to the main screen. And to the right of the main screen, you're going to see two square areas that each square has 4 icons in it. The top square area is our line properties. The bottom square area is our fill properties. We're going to start by choosing the settings screen on our line property. It looks like a little piece of paper. We have different tools. We have our open pencil, our closed pencil, a straight line, and our point-to-point tool. We have different line properties: our zigzag, our straight stitch, our bean stitch, our candle wicking stitch, and our chain stitch. Or we could use a no stitch line by choosing this icon. We're going to start with a satin outline. We'll just go ahead and touch OK. And this will bring us back to the main screen. We're going to touch the settings page in the fill properties. The first one is a satin fill, the second one is our stipple, the third one is our decorative fills. We're going to touch select, and then you'll see the other decorative fills that are in my Destiny. You can scroll through those decorative fills. You may have a different amount than I do. I'm going to choose the circles. I'll touch OK. OK once more. And now we have our full screen. I'm touching our fill cup, and then I'm touching the screen. This fills the design on the screen. We'll touch next, and we can apply some different features. Let's size. I can change the size by making my designer fill larger or smaller. Larger by touching the plus, smaller by touching the minus. And once I decide what size, then I'll touch set, and that'll make my change. The second one is the angle. Same thing by using my plus and my minus. That's going to bring up different degrees. I'll set it. And the last one is where I can choose where I want an outline on or off. Turned it off, and I plus touch set. And now we're going to go ahead and preview our changes. Now you'll see how it looks a bit different because I changed some things. So we'll go ahead and set it. We'll touch OK. And now you're seeing our fill on the embroidery side of the machine. I can touch embroidery, and now it's ready to stitch. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to have my Facebook group, my Instagram, and my YouTube channel noted here at the end, so definitely pop over there, like, join, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you next time on the next tutorial.